Moving your cursor over one of the videos, if you literally just hover and move your cursor across, you get a little preview of what the video contains. Now this is quite useful if you've never seen the content before. So very quickly you can scrub through to see what content is in each video file. You can even play the videos from within inside here. If you click on a video so it highlights, press the space bar, it will play that video track including any audio, and you could hear that the audio in this is very noisy. So it's also a good way of just checking what you've got in each clip. To reduce your window back down, simply double click back on the name of the bin you're currently looking in, and it will reduce it down to panel view. To actually look at a video clip in more detail, if you hover over the clip inside the bin now, select the clip you want to look at. If you double click on the clip, it will open it up in the source monitor. Now the source monitor has a playhead, so you can scrub the playhead to see the clip. The source monitor will show any video clip in its full entirety, whatever resolution and whatever frame rate it was filmed in. So it's useful for seeing the full quality of any clip that you've imported. The source monitor also gives you information about the duration of the clip. Over here I have my timeline. I can see that this video clip is 8 seconds and 7 frames long. And as I scrub, you will see it will play that clip. The left hand time code will show me exactly where I am within the clip itself.